Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth not pairing on your Motorola Edge 60 Neo. So first, what you guys want to do is go over, and what are we gonna do is, here we have the earbuds. Now, what are we gonna do is we're gonna open up settings. So you should be in the settings, then you go to connected devices, and click on connection preferences, Bluetooth. Here we want to turn it off, and now we're gonna turn it on. If your device is not paired, you need to click pair new device, and here I'm gonna open up the case, and these are the AirPods 3 Pro, so I just double tap the front case until the light is blinking white, and now we're gonna click pair. As you guys can see, the sound, that means they are connected. And if you got issues with connecting them, then go back to connected devices, click on the gear icon and click forget. If your device was already there, you can just double tap the case to go over and pair a new device. It's gonna pop up here again, and we're gonna click on pair, and as you guys can see, it'll be done. Now, what are we going to do is we're going to go over, and as a last resort, we're going to scroll down to system almost at the bottom, and we're going to go over into the reset options, reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and click reset. Now it'll be done, and that's basically it for the video. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.